In this tutorial, you'll create a data visualization bar chart in Photoshop using custom shapes to represent statistics. Open a vertical canvas for the chart. Draw multiple rectangles of varying heights to represent data bars. Add smaller rectangle shapes at the top of each bar to indicate exact values. Use the Type tool to label categories along the horizontal axis. Insert thin lines for the grid background to guide the viewer's eye. Duplicate bars behind with lower opacity for a subtle shadow effect. Adjust spacing between bars to maintain readability. Zoom out. The bar chart now looks structured, informative, and visually clear.